Hello and welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be travelling from Melbourne to Sydney with Rex in economy class. It's going to be a pretty interesting video because I've done this route with Qantas the other week, so let's see how they compare in economy class. I just flew in from Adelaide with Rex also in economy class. It was a good flight. So let's see how this trip goes. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, I make weekly trip reports every Thursday on planes and occasionally the old train. Rex uses Terminal 4 at Melbourne's Melbourne Airport. It is the newest terminal and has Jetstar, Rex and Dennorth all operating flights out of there. Rex offers these self-checking kiosks, or if you're a bit more lazy, you can get the staff to check you in. Anyway, I soon checked in and made my way up the iconic yellow escalator. Little did I know at this point what the next 6 hours consisted of. Keep watching to find out. Here is my aircraft taking me on the first attempt to Sydney, VH-RYU. Boarding was called soon through gate 13, so let's have our first attempt to get into Sydney, shall we?
Do I get to be in it? Perfect. 19A is the window seat on your left. Thank you very much.
Welcome aboard Rex Boeing 737 economy class. Here's my seat to Sydney today, 29A. Now allow me to quickly show you the seat features of Rex 737 economy class. Legroom is good for our short flight to Sydney. In the seat pocket there is a safety card, an in-flight magazine and an air sickness bag. There is 2 seat pockets here, so plenty of storage. The tray table can be folded down from the seat in front if you've got a bit of strength, and it cannot be moved backwards and forwards. This will be my view for the short 1 hour flight over to Sydney. The headrest can be adjusted like so.
Hi crew, welcome aboard this Rex service shortly bound for Sydney. Folks, we're just about ready to go. Once underway, short taxi out, let's take off towards the west to make a series of right turns, heading to cruise out at 237,000 feet. Expecting smooth flight conditions for the most part. There will be a few little light bumps as we depart Melbourne. There's a fair bit of band weather that we need to clear out to the east, but we'll do our very best to give it as smooth as we can. It should smooth it out just once we get into the cruise. Flight time 1 hour and 5 minutes. Current weather in Sydney, it was fog there earlier this morning, but that's somewhat cleared, so now it's just a light westerly overcast skies, temperature of 23 degrees. We'll get back to you a little bit later with an updated time for up.
And whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. For your comfort, the cabin will be pressurized during this flight. If oxygen is required, masks like these will drop automatically.
basically at this point where I realised our flaps hadn't gone up and we'd be in the air for a while, and we'd done this massive right hand turn, so I knew something was up, and I also made an Instagram post saying, why aren't our flaps up? Little did we know this speech that was about to come on the radio from the captain.
We'll be able to go for approximately 20 minutes. Our operations are aware of our situation, so they'll be doing every best to get you to your destination with a normal delay. Once we know more, we'll come back to you, but in the meantime, try and enjoy the rig service thing.
So basically there's like an issue with the flaps. They won't go up. I'll show you a video in a second. But so we're going to divert back to Melbourne now. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. It'll be interesting. Apologies for not getting the captain's full speech in, but I knew this was going to be a really fast landing at this point, and an interesting one.
Doing some manoeuvring north of Melbourne Airport at the moment to sleeping with a normal traffic pattern. We'll be commencing approach in about the next 10 minutes, and we'll be taxiing to Parking Bay in Melbourne. People will have staff to advise of your onward travel details. Thank you.
Trucks there.
This is the captain. Everyone remains seated, folks. We're just going to have the undercarriage looked at just for the braking cooling requirements. Once that's carried out, we'll be able to text you to the boat. Thank you.
Yeah, just wait up at the gate there and I'll work out what we need to do. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, I know, right?
Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Seems like deja vu back where we started. Yeah, I don't know what to think. That was a crazy experience. Every couple of years this happens, you know. You know, the fire trucks were there. It was crazy. But yeah, so we're in Sydney now. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how we're going to get to Melbourne. We've got taking the XPT back to Melbourne tonight. So maybe that's in jeopardy now. I don't know, maybe we'll get put on a Virgin flight, who knows. But yeah, that was crazy. Scary experience for sure. Yeah, now we're going to find out what's happening, how we're going to get to Sydney. But yeah, so I'll keep you all posted, you know. Interesting day. But yeah, I'm just happy we're all alright. Okay, so new departure time is 2:15, I think. We got a meal voucher, which we can use in this food court. But I think I'm probably gonna head into town actually. Take the skybus there, just quickly relax there, because I don't really want to spend 3 hours in Melbourne Airport. Could be interesting, might go for a walk. Yeah, keep you updated. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half since I last updated you. Basically, gonna go to the gate now, hopefully board, hopefully get to Sydney. Yeah. Now, as you heard, I just wanted a normal flight from here, but little did I know that was only our first emergency landing. At some point, we would encounter another issue which would cause another emergency landing into Sydney. Stay tuned and find out why. Now, hopefully this will be just a normal trip report from here on in, but you never know. This will be the aircraft taking me to Sydney for our second attempt, VH-RQC. I flew it here from Adelaide this morning with no issues. Is that going to change?
Okay, hello. Beg your pardon?
Rear stairs?
No, you're using
Okay.
the bridge. It's very
Okay.
hard.
Okay, thank you.
right hand side.
Hello.
Thank you. How are you?
Thank you.
29A, just down the back on your right hand side. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently refueling. Please take your...
I'm not going to bother going ahead with the seat features again because you saw that in the first attempt. Let's just go and take off and see if we can get to Sydney this
for
time.
attracting attention. Infant and spare adult life jacket and remove it from its pouch. Slip the life jacket over your head and secure the strap around your waist by clicking the two ends.
As you can see, our flaps actually work on this flight. So we just left Melbourne and look, the flaps actually went up this time. We are on a roll. Welcome to Rex Boeing 737 back of the plane lavatory. There's a coat hook, a sink, a toilet, and yeah. Our flight to Sydney today is really full. Only a few spare seats. Lucky I got one next to me. The crew soon appeared with their trolleys and I knew the meal service was about to begin. The crew were offering a chocolate lamington biscuit thingy. I got it with a water. I thought it was pretty good. I had it this morning though, so I was a bit sick of it. The crew came back round and offered these caramel and white chocolate cookies. They were amazing. I love white chocolate and I love caramel, so pretty good for me. These are probably the best in-flight snack I've ever had. Overall, a really enjoyable meal on Rex in economy class. I wish that Virgin Australia did an in-flight snack like this. So, I'm not really going to do a conclusion for this flight because I don't think it really needs one. We're just approaching Sydney now and I think it's going to be a normal approach. So, thank you very much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all next Thursday, 2 PM Adelaide time. Please like and subscribe as it motivates me to continue making videos just like this one. So now we're approaching Sydney. It looks like a normal approach, but then the flaps wouldn't go down. And then we just appeared to be going around. And then I was wondering what was going on. I thought it was just runway change. But then the captain came on and he explained the situation. And a lot of passengers were disappointed it happened again.
Excuse me folks, Captain here. Would you believe it? We've actually had the same issue with the flap. So what we'll be doing is just running the checklist and exactly the same as before. We'll be heavy on the ground at approximately 15 minutes. Again, do apologise for the delay, and we'll heavy on the ground as soon as we can. Thank you.
So we just found out about the second emergency landing and all the passengers started getting annoyed because we just wanted to get to Sydney. But anyway, enjoy this landing. It's a bit better than one in Melbourne because the pilots have had some practice now.
fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. If your electronic devices are within reach, you're more than welcome to use these now. Electronic devices must not be used whilst disembarking the aircraft and crossing the tarmac. Prior to leaving your seat, please check your seat area and seat pocket for any personal belongings. Take care when opening the overhead lockers as heavier items may have moved during flight. Today at this stage we will be disembarking using both the forward and rear doors. If you are leaving via the stairs, please hold onto the handrail and take caution as you make your way onto the tarmac. If you are travelling with small children, we advise you not to carry your child down the stairs. Instead, hold onto their hands securely to assist them as you hold onto the handrail. If you are travelling with infants or small children that must be carried, please use the forward door of the aircraft. If you do require assistance disembarking, please remain seated and one of our flight attendants will be happy to assist you. A reminder that smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted on the tarmac or inside any Australian airport. On behalf of your captain, Jason Miller, and your crew, we would like to thank you for flying with Rex today. It has been our pleasure to have you on board and we look forward to your company when you next choose to fly. Passengers are reminded it is still a government requirement to wear masks inside all airport terminals. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you for your patience today. Thank you and have a great afternoon.
Now, I'm not an aircraft engineer, but I know that doesn't happen twice in one day. The same flight number and everything. Something's going on there. I'm not too sure, but yeah.
They just said to wait, like that it would be. I don't mind either way. I